Today, we delve into the life of Layla, a figure of profound strength and sacrifice in the tragic events of Karbala. Layla, the wife of Imam Hussain and the mother of Ali Akbar, stood as a beacon of resilience during one of the most tumultuous periods in Islamic history. Layla hailed from a noble background, deeply rooted in the teachings and values of Islam. Her marriage to Imam Hussain brought her closer to the core of the Ahlulbayt, the family of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. As a devoted wife and mother, Layla played a pivotal role in nurturing her son, Ali Akbar, who resembled and embodied the spirit and virtues of his grandfather, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. During the journey to Karbala, Layla's strength was evident as she stood by Imam Hussain, facing the looming threat of Yazid's forces. Her greatest trial came on the day of Ashura, when her beloved son, Ali Akbar, sought permission to enter the battlefield.